Hi, this is Social Profile and Private Chat, a fresh take on a one-to-one chat app. Upon signing into the app, you'll be able to browse certain members' profiles, view their bio and photos, and when you're ready to message them, you'll have to complete a profile. After completing your profile, you'll now get taken to your profile page where you can add additional photos and begin exploring other members' profiles. When you're ready to chat, simply open up a new chat and begin typing away. You've now entered a chat. On Robert's side, he'll also see a chat. When you're ready to continue the chat, just say something. It's that easy. On the Chats tab, all of your chats will be sorted by most recent on top. If you have any questions on how to use Social Profile and Private Chat, feel free to reach out to me at rpetito at Twitter or leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.